Outstanding design defines the 2020 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck leads among competitors in its segment. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 350 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Turbocharger technology provides forced air induction, enhancing performance while preserving fuel economy. All of the premium features expected of a Chevrolet are offered, including leather upholstery, variably intermittent wipers, front dual-zone air conditioning, heated steering wheel, and one-touch window functionality. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.